very elegant box. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mac TheWiseSole, and I'm back with another video. First of all, let me just go ahead and say this real quick. Thanks again for coming back and tuning into the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Everybody that watches the videos, those that have subscribed to the page, I appreciate that. It means a lot that you guys have come in, taking your time to watch your boy here on YouTube. Because you know, y'all could be watching a bunch of YouTube videos right now, but you're rocking with your boy, and it's greatly appreciated. Now, what I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and do for your boy one time is make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, give the video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Tell them to come check out the channel. Share the link to the channel. Share the video. Put it out there and let your people know, hey, come mess with TheWiseSole, because you know I'm trying to make sure y'all staying wise out here in these shoe game streets. Also, don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram, which is down below in the description. Also on the screen, it is TheWiseSole. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on the gram. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. It's TheWiseSole. It'll be down in the description as well. Now let's go ahead and get right into the shoe. And here we go, the Air Jordan 4 PSG. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the box. Normally we don't go into too much detail on the box because it's just a box. But this packaging right here on this PSG is amazing. As you see, it has the PSG logo with the Jordan Jumpman in the middle, opposed to the Eiffel Tower, how it normally is on the PSG logo. It's in a Bordeaux colorway, black bottom, very elegant box. So, you know, make sure you definitely take care of this box. You can tell, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna get some smudges on the box. If you got like oils and things on your hands, it's definitely gonna pick up on that on the box. So make sure you handle this box with care, because normally we don't care, but this is a nice elegant box like I said earlier, and it's definitely something you want to go ahead and make sure you you take care of. The box reads Air Jordan 4 Retro PSG. Color spectrum: white, Bordeaux, neutral gray. Size 12, retail price $225 US. And you know your boy's gonna go ahead and get that on the screen for you guys so you can take a look. There you go. Now let's get to the kick. As you can see here, inside the box you have the green grass, which reflects the pitch of the soccer field, is what they play on. Again, PSG is a soccer team in Paris, France. Pretty much the premier team in Paris as far as soccer goes. So it has that grass in here, as you guys can see. I'll probably have some B-roll rolling right now, but that is dope. Another great piece for the box. Again, this whole box setup and presentation for the PSG is amazing. That's why I say don't mess this box up. You definitely want to keep the box. And you know, we don't really care, like I said, about boxes too much, but we're gonna take care of this one. Now again, let's get to the sneaker. And here we are, the Air Jordan 4 PSG. So first things first is looking at the shoe. Man, this shoe is nice. It's well put together. It feels great in hand. It has some really good quality on it. Let's dive into it a little bit deeper. It's no need to go into super in detail looks of the shoe, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the camera real quick. I'll try to get some B-roll if I got time to get it out there. This shoe is dope, man. Like, it's very plush as far as the leather on the shoe. Very soft. The colorway, let's take a look at this real quick. The colorway, so it's pretty much a predominantly white shoe with accents of black, Bordeaux, and that neutral gray here. I don't know if you guys can pick it up here on the video with the light, but that toe cap right here is it's actually like a nubuck suede material. So it's not even leather, it's like a nubuck suede material that goes around the toe box in that neutral gray color, taking it pretty much all the way almost to the halfway point of the midsole. So that's definitely something that's pretty dope here. You have the Jumpman on the tongue with flight written in that Bordeaux colorway. You have the wings, eyelids on the shoe, also in Bordeaux. The netting on the shoe, white netting, black background, as you can see right here. You have Paname with that little black tab which is Paname, which is a nickname for France, or I'm sorry, a nickname for Paris. You know, let me make sure I get that right, because y'all be in the comments trying to roast somebody. So that's something you definitely want to go ahead and look. Let's see if we can get that to focus. So that's another dope feature as well. Real quick look at the outsole. Outsole predominantly black, Bordeaux, hints of white. Another Bordeaux Jumpman, looks like a gray. Actually, it's still all black here on the heel tab. The lighting on that makes it a little bit different. Yeah, it's black. It's definitely black. So that's a nice little outsole. Very clean, easy to keep clean. Up to the midsole, you have that Bordeaux going around the bottom heel of the shoe. And one thing I also like about that, it's a matted look. It's not glossy or anything. It's a matted Bordeaux look. What actually I think makes it, again, look elegant. That's the word of the video, elegant. So if there's a quiz on that, you know your boy's gonna ask you, you know, what was the word of the video later. So, and that's for the back of the shoe here, the dopest part, obviously in my opinion. You have the PSG logo, Paris Saint-Germain, right here on the back tab with the Jumpman in the middle. Normally the logo has the Eiffel Tower as opposed to the Jumpman, but that is something that's dope. Go ahead and give you guys a closer look at that. It's definitely, like I said, a dope shoe. Another dope feature I like here on the actual pull tab here in the back. If you guys can see this real quick, get that. I might have to do a B-roll for that. But if you can see here, you'll see it's actually number 75, which is an area code for Paris. And let me quickly clarify that. It's not a telephone area code. It's more of a location area code for the city of Paris in France. It's part of their coat of arms or something of that nature. So you're not gonna use the 75 to call out there and be like, yo, let me talk to Neymar or something out there. It doesn't work that way. It's actually more of a location code for Paris as opposed to an actual telephone area code. So I want people out there to know that for sure. I mean, I ain't TheWiseSole for nothing. You know, I gotta give y'all some wisdom on some things. So all in all, like I said, this is a very dope shoe. I love the color. I love the material. Like I said, it has a premium feel on the leather. Very soft. This suede nubuck here on the toe cap is fire. The matted Bordeaux around the heel of the shoe. It's amazing. It's well put together. And for $225, you should get a premium shoe because it's at a premium price point. Obviously, you know, it comes with only one set of laces, which are the white laces. I would have liked to have seen some neutral gray option laces, some Bordeaux laces, or maybe some black laces, which I could pick up another time and add to this shoe to make it pop a little bit. But all in all, I think this shoe was amazing. I think it's definitely something you guys should go ahead and take a look at if you're able to get your hands on it. I know that $225 price point scared off a lot of people, but this shoe did sell out on Sneakers app, and I think on a few sites it was gone pretty quick. It dropped on Saturday, October 10th, and it was gone pretty fast. So if you got your hands on it, great. If not, the resale market, it's probably as low as it's gonna get right now. So again, I think you should definitely go ahead and grab it. Now, what is the TheWiseSole score for the Jordan 4 PSG? I'm gonna go ahead and give this shoe a 6 out of 7. This shoe is a must cop for any Jordan fan out there. And let me go ahead and just put this out there before y'all try to get at me in the comments. The Jordan 4 is probably my favorite Jordan silhouette because it was the first silhouette I ever owned. So I'm gonna be a little biased on this, but I'm definitely gonna have it up there as a 6 out of 7. I'm gonna stick with that. It's a must cop for anybody that's out there going ahead and collecting Jordans or who like rocking Jordans. Again, it's a dope colorway, a nice collaboration with the PSG soccer team in Paris. The materials are premium. Yes, the price point is a little bit high, but I think it's a great shoe, and I think you'll enjoy this shoe and you'll get a lot of great wears out of this. Again, I'm giving it a 6 out of 7. That means if you remember the TheWiseSole scale, that means it's a must cop and you definitely want to have it in your collection. So again, thanks for tuning in to the channel. Again, I appreciate everybody who's been supporting the channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, tell me in the comments, did you pick up the Jordan 4 PSG? Was it an easy cop for you? Did you have to go through a retail, resale, or whatever? How did you cop the shoe? Let me know, what do you think about this shoe overall? How do you feel? My people in Europe, I know y'all watching out here. I see it in the stats. Do y'all rock with the PSG soccer club out there in Europe? Let your boy know. Personally, I got a little soccer team that I root for, you know, in the Premier League, Manchester City. That's the squad. So, you know, they ain't got no affiliation with PSG, but I want to go ahead and get the citizens out there, you know, a shout out. So, I play FIFA. Like I said, I learn things. Again, thanks for tuning into the channel. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, share it, hit the thumbs up, put it out there, tell your friends, come mess with the TheWiseSole. We're gonna have fun over here. Thanks again for tuning into the channel. So for the Jordan 4 PSG, you have your boy Mac TheWiseSole. Remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.